while naming the branch alkane, we have to follow the IUPAC nomenclature system. Here IUPAC stands for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, and this was established in 1919 in Switzerland. According to IUPAC nomenclature system, we have certain rules for giving the name to such type of molecule. So the first rule is the longest chain rule. Longest chain rule. According to this rule, we have to select the longest chain in this molecule. Now we have the chain like this, we have the chain like this, and also we have the chain like this. Now in these three chains, this the middle one is the longest chain in this molecule. After that, the second rule will come, and the second rule is numbering to the carbon atoms. Numbering to carbon atoms. While giving the numbering to the carbon atoms, at that time we can give the numbering from left hand side towards the right hand side, as well as we can also give the numbering from right hand side towards the left hand side. So let me start from left hand side. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Similarly, we can also give the numbering from right hand side towards the left hand side. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we have the longest chain, as well as we have given the numbering to the longest chain. Now in this case we have to follow the rule, that is numbering to the carbon atoms. This rule states that number the carbon atoms in the parent chain from that end which is nearest to the point of branching. It means substituted carbon atom must have the lowest possible number. Now here we have substituent like methyl group. This is also the methyl group and the ethyl group. As per the lower numbering system, this ethyl group is coming at position number 5 and these methyls are at 6 and 7. As per the numbering which is given by the yellow color, this methyl group is coming at position number 2. So it means that this substituent has the lowest possible number. So we can accept this numbering which is in yellow color. So now third rule will come. Third rule is related to two or more identical substituents. So two or more identical substituent. According to this rule, if two or more identical substituents are present, use an appropriate prefix like di, tri, tetra and so on. Now in this case, we have two substituents. So one is methyl. So let me write that methyl, and the second one is ethyl. So we have ethyl. Now in this case, the methyl groups are present at position number 2 as well as at position number 3. So we have to write it as a di. So 2 times it is coming, and here ethyl is coming at position number 4 once. So no need to write the prefix before ethyl. Now let's see the fourth rule, and the fourth rule state that if two substituents are present, then cite them in an alphabetical order. So this rule is generally known as alphabetical order rule. So here we have these two substituents like methyl as well as ethyl. So here M as well as E. So here E is coming first in alphabets. So while writing the IUPAC name to this molecule, we have to take this ethyl first and then we have to write methyl. So let's see the next rule. So next rule is related to the hyphen. The symbol is like this, and comma. According to this rule, the number and name are separated by hyphen and number are separated by commas, and the name of the parent alkane should be at the end. So here the parent name is octane because the total number of carbon atom is 8 and this is alkane, so it will end up with A and E. Now we'll follow the all rules. Now we have written the parent name, that is octane. Then the second rule is like two or more identical substituent. Now we have two substituent and both the substituents are identical. At that time we have already written the prefix, that is dimethyl. Now we have to write the numbering at which position these substituents are coming. Now we have these methyl groups at position number 2 as well as 3. So I will write here 2, 3 hyphen dimethyl. So these numbers are separated by comma and the number and this name should be separated by the hyphen. So here ethyl group is present at position number 4. So I will write 4 hyphen ethyl. And then we have to put these groups according to alphabetical order. So first of all I will write 4 ethyl, 2, 3 dimethyl octane. So this is the exact IUPAC name of this molecule.